What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we work on Jason's BMW and we're going to install his front mount intercooler. Well, actually not even install, we're going to do a huge upgrade. Look at the size of this shit. God. But got Jason with me. He's about to help me out. We're gonna knock this out. It's pretty easy, straightforward bolts setup. We already went ahead and took off the skid plate. About to get under this sucker and see what we're working with.
So yeah, stock one. It's kind of small.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller.
Need to get rid of it. What it's looking like, we have to take off this right here, which is the clamp to the hose. We got one clamp over here and another clamp over here, if you can see it.
Yeah, I see it. Right up here, you gotta
remove that.
Move that part.
But we got a little extra hosing, so I don't know if I have to remove the other clamp, which is in a pain in the ass spot. BMW, but yeah, in the pain in the ass spot. Somewhere up there. The camera ain't gonna see it because I ain't gonna see it. I don't know where it is.
Just know that there's extra holes up there, and we're figuring out we should take it off.
Yeah, we have to see what we could do with it. Right now I'm just trying to protect my eyes from getting damaged by.
So where's the bolts to get this down? Like what the brackets or whatever's holding it?
Simple shit, really. There's one over here. There's a Torx right here. We gotta do, and then on the same side over here.
Okay, I see it.
I see this weird contraption right here. We have to do.
It's probably part of it we could get off.
It's some weird. Look, it has a little spinny thing. What the?
All right. It's a turn and release, basically.
Yeah, turn and release.
Okay.
Something like that. Clamp right here. I think that's what it sits on.
Yeah. Oh, because yeah, this is just like a little plastic that holds the fan. Because this is the whole fan right here assembly.
Yeah, that's the fan.
So it's probably holding against it, so we got to remove that as well. It's like a plastic part, so.
But yeah, man, this upgrade should be relatively easy. I mean, a lot easier, not, rolling around in the dirt doing it. Right. But, we get it done. Ain't nothing.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start taking this apart. And, let's get this over with. Okay. Should be straightforward and easy. All right, let's get it. All right, so we got this plastic cover.
Oh.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, so we got this plastic cover off right here in the front. Just pop it out, easy.
Easy. Gotta remove the little bees, because if you don't remove the bees, it's gonna cause the engine to lock up. So make sure you remove the bees and shit. You don't want that to happen.
Right. Oh yeah, this little tab right here. You gotta turn it to really to pretty much get it off, because it's gonna be locked in right here.
Yeah, little tabs that locks in. What? BMW is a pain in the ass at the same time. Like, hey, let's make this simple real quick.
Like, it's so simple because we were taking the time because we didn't want to break anything, and it would just a turn and a drop, literally. So,
but still, look, everything's plastic. It's gonna break, and then you have to go to BMW.
And we went through it.
God damn it.
We went through it, and it looked like the only thing that's literally holding this together, dude, is bolt 1, bolt 2, and clamp 1, and clamp 2. That's it.
Look at this cloud.
He's finally here.
He's finally here.
So that's it, bro. And all we have to do is just kind of massage it down, make sure we do it properly, don't drop anything, and we pretty much install a new one. All right, man. Let's get this on, man. Let's get this done.
All right.
So this freaking clown is finally here.
Wait for him. Yo. Goddamn, yesterday he just got here. And he let down the street.
Shoot. But so JG, this is actually something that we wanted you to do because it's straightforward. And we already started, we already cleaned it, well, got most of it out. Yeah. So all you have to do is remove 2 bolts, 2 clamps, and we'll help you out massage it, but it's pretty straightforward.
Pick that shit up, man. God damn, this is weight reduction my ass, bro. Hey, man, go ahead and get your pumps in, bro. Bench press that shit, bro.
Alright, bro.
Got some weight to it.
Yeah. So go ahead and check under it, see what we're working with, but I already explained in the video, but go ahead. We're gonna give you the tools what you need. You take it out, and then we'll let you do it, bro. Let's do it.
Nothing, bro.
Yo, Peachtree Industrial. I was driving. I was like, huh. I turned over and Steph, because he got his windows on.
There you go. You know this bitch came from Miami. Bro, that's sand, bro.
That is sand, bro.
God damn. That boy done ran this bitch through the beach. Talk about I got a turbo car.
That's a Florida car for sure.
So we gotta deal with
He
sand.
You know also, you know it's a
down
Florida
the
car?
fuck.
When you see sand in the engine bay.
Why these niggas driving through the fucking sand?
I don't know, bro.
Hey, it's just in the air. It's a part of the. It's a part
Why
of
did you wait till I put my face under there? You was there.
Because I'm doing the same thing you
You
did, bro.
sat there and
You got
behaved
in my eye,
yourself the
bro.
whole time. And then you wait till I scoot over like I got this.
And I say,
Jeez, man, there's a lot of dirt, bro. Hey, I bet.
Hey, come over here. Come over here and check this out.
Yeah, I'm not falling for that shit. You
Brian,
really?
come.
Alright, so this little bracket mount, whatever this is. Oops.
You see me sweeping?
oh shit.
Yeah, whatever this bracket is, it belongs up there. So you kind of have to.
Still got the Peloton back over there.
Shoot, you gotta have to squeeze this little like tab right here. I don't know if you can see it. But you gotta squeeze this tab and then pull downwards, and they should come right off. So that was one of the things also was holding it. So we got to do the other side, and it should come down freely. All right, let's get it.
I don't know why I like this song.
Come on, JG. Bro, you're getting paid by the job, not hourly, bro.
I get paid by the hour. I don't know what y'all talking about. Right now, if I was at work, I'm like, I took that clip out, cool. Now let me go take a 90-minute break.
That is messed up.
You, that's right.
What is this? It's connected to something. What
It's
is
the
this
hose,
bracket?
bro. Did you get the hose
I
off?
think it's a part of the.
The hose is
The radiator, whole fucking. It's part of the whole radiator fitting. I'm seeing right now.
Really?
That's what it looks like.
Get the hose off first, bro.
So what?
Get the hose off of it first.
Oh.
The hose is still in.
I see.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that oil, boy. Ooh, that blowback.
That's one down.
Do that same side.
I told you could do this, bro.
Let me see the light.
Just give me the light. Just give me the light.
Pastor Joe.
Baba dabba dabba yomo.
Come on, JG.
That's good. I built one more.
You got it? Nope.
It slipped through.
Made all that noise and he didn't even get it, bro.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Wait.
You good?
Something almost fell on my nose. It ain't going too far though.
Oh shit.
It's like he just drowned it. I'm like, God damn. This nigga just drowned, man. Well, I got damn.
Hey, bro, just chill out, bro. That don't sound good, bro.
Of course, drowning don't sound good, Steph. Wow, you went with drowning is all right. Oh, look at that shit.
Oh shit.
Look at that, it's coming down, look at that. Oh, it's a boy. It's a boy. Oh, look at it. Oh, uh-oh. You need a light?
Let me see the pic.
Pick, you got to pick, JG.
Back again.
Move out of the way, bro.
Alongside Tammy, girl. I'm a liar, girl.
Oh! Ah! Stop. Ah! Think. Oh, shit!
Look at all that mess,
The
bro.
whole fucking Miami on top of me.
That's a lot of
Balls.
dirt, bro. Oh my god.
Pause.
Yo, look how
That's how small it is compared to
look
that.
how small. This is actually embarrassing. Look how small
God
that is.
damn. It's so modest.
Like I'm about to. I'm gonna put this on top, bro. Watch your phone, Jay.
Wow. No wonder this shit can't handle stage 2.
Jeez.
Yeah.
That's what I was looking at. The clearance.
Look at
See how
the.
much different that is?
Look at the difference, bro. Pass me the light. Pass me the light, JG.
Oh shit.
Look at the difference, bro. Look at the difference of thickness. Like, It's literally half is missing.
Pause.
Look at it,
I'm
yeah.
mad both of us had this.
Like this is it's a huge difference, bro. It's literally half of it, bro. That's crazy.
Look at the thickness. Pause.
Okay. Alright, bro. So hey guys, gotta cut it short here, but I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the installation. Part 2 is coming up soon, so don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and I cannot wait to see you guys in part 2. Peace.